Dollar index daily chart, price breakout this trend line, small retest, now new high. Higher for longer is back. Some people are expecting no cut this year and some are expecting hike. Especially FOMC member are saying possibility of hike. Technically, before dollar turn, before rate cut begin, 106 is first big resistance. So price will turn before a test or after a test. That is most important thing. Before that we have this possible parallel channel and you are seeing sign of rejection. But higher for longer will not work and you will see cut this year, and if they do not start rate cut then all the currency against dollar they will collapse, and despite huge debt and fat QE you can see dollar is still strong. They have no competition. Dollar is weak against Bitcoin, against gold, but against all fiat currency it is strong. So when higher for longer turns into rate cut, same like last year, then dollar will turn down. But be careful if it turn before a test or after a test of 106.893 level. Euro USD daily chart, because euro is biggest part of dollar index, almost invert, so it is showing some sign of rejection last week, and once this horizontal resistance level breakout then you can say trend reversal have begun. But all the buyer who have their SL below the support level, all of them are gone. If you see H4 chart, 060 big psychological level, and you can see multiple time price has retested this level. So if it make new intraday low then you can buy. Wait for breakout, because if this is double bottom then after breakout you can buy retest of neckline. GP USD daily chart, the last wave 61% retracement complete, and you can see this is a big static support level. But if this level break out then this possible head and shoulder chart pattern, this neckline, the dynamic support level can be big support level, and once it reverse then this upper yellow line will be first big resistance level, that's mean near 126. For more clear dollar index trade, if you see USD CAD weekly chart, then price is testing resistance zone of this range. And last week Fed speech with BOC governor, if you watch the speech, that is feel like BOC is running the Fed. That is what Fed trying to say. And that higher for longer will not work. If you see daily chart, then you have this possible parallel channel price testing upper trend line and a static resistance 1.38. And if you see intraday H4 chart, when price made this ending diagonal chart pattern before breakout, updated in Telegram, if you have that entry then hold, because that higher for longer will turn into rate cut and that will weaken the dollar. After that we have this possible head and shoulder chart pattern, neckline breakout retest happening on lower level chart. And if you see USD CHF H4 chart for more intraday clarity, then you have this possible static support level near .90 level. If this level breakout then on retest you can sell the intraday H4 chart, or if it make new high then sell. So either you sell new high or retest after breakout of this trend line. So this strong dollar trade hawkish Fed started after December FOMC meeting. That trade is complete, soon trend can reverse. So first H4 support, after that daily time frame support at 88 level. BTC H4 chart intraday, on war news gold is going up, Bitcoin is going down, and now many people are confused why this is happening, because this is a race. Dollar and gold still winning race of reserve currency. Another reason inflation trade. Then Fed has given clear warning of another rate hike or longer pause because of inflation. Maybe this is the reason it is coming down. So this make top before gold. So change in QE and Fed giving warning against inflation, these things are bad for Bitcoin. And if this range breakout near 60,000, big static support level, then you can expect this is a big bearish sign because there is no big support before 52k. Silver weekly chart, wave W, then wave X, triangle chart pattern correction. Right now we are in wave Y. But before silver go to moon, it is testing big static horizontal resistance level. Until this level does not break out, you can expect big size correction in silver or a long sideways range correction before breakout. And this WXY wave possible parallel chart pattern. So for silver you have clear static resistance $30, and all the people who are buying recently silver, they have only one reason, that gold is up. This is not fundamental, this is not macroeconomics, this is FOMO buying and bubble sentiment. Sometimes they say it is EV, sometimes they say gold high, and next time they will find another reason, but not fundamental reason to buy silver. And silver FOMO buyer thinking it will break out $30, but we need big news to support breakout, and after breakout it will go back to 48. But imagine gold is already trading near 2400. If that happen, where gold will go next? You can imagine if silver going 48, then gold will be trading at 5000 that time. While ignoring everything what Trump will do after election. Now GDX weekly chart, price testing big resistance zone near $36. So I am repeating again, $30 in silver, 36 in GDX. You can expect 2440 big level in gold. If you see GDX intraday H4 chart, then this can be wave C or third impulsive wave, then fourth wave correction and new high Y fifth wave. So we also have a parallel channel, price testing lower trend line. So until this level does not break near $33, lower line of parallel channel, possibility of new high fifth wave, but all wave ending from top to bottom, then correction. Or if this is just ABC wave with extension in wave C with 5 impulsive wave, then correction have already begun. And if lower trend line of this channel break out, new low come, then ABC zigzag correction, then you can expect at least 50 or 61%, maybe FOMO buying, 31% retracement. So as a intraday, watch carefully lower trend line of this channel. It has been tested many times and big dynamic support level. Now US oil H4 chart, after all of those news like World War 3, you have perfect technical, double top, neckline breakout, then retest. Now price ready to make new lower low. So first of all 87 big resistance, and nearest intraday resistance you can expect 85. So below 85 oil is bearish. But same like these two high, politicians are now panic on oil. Previously it was FOMC member, now IMF is directly talking about oil. If it goes $100, then it will be problem. And since 2009, this US stock market is running on Fed put. Every time it goes down, Fed come to save market. And now you have big red candlestick when market see no rate cut in 2024. They can delay recession since 2009, but they cannot do it forever. One day inflation will become out of control and they have to find solution. If you remember November FOMC meeting when they talked about final condition index, then CPI came and downtick in range. Since then every month you can see blue candlestick. So they are delaying recession and doing everything they can do to create economic boom just before election. They did not stop until they see higher than expected CPI number. Now market have turned on weekly chart. You have 3 red candlestick and big support 4600 and this trend line. Because next big buying money flow will not come until price retests either trend line or support level. Last week all of them were hawkish. This week you have FOMC blackout, then next FOMC speech that depends on core PCE number. If it show uptick, more hawkish Fed and it can come down more. But question is same, Fed put like every correction, Fed will save this stock market or not. Correction have begun. So right here, before November FOMC meeting, financial condition index was super tight. It was collapsing, 5% bond yield. Now right at the top on that Good Friday speech, Fed talk about business cycle. Since then it is down. Nasdaq H4 chart, you can see ending down chart pattern, double top. Now it is coming down. Market turn immediately next week when they give speech on Good Friday, because they are saving since November FOMC meeting. And now Biden before election, he have everything. They created economic boom just by financial condition index. When market turned after that Fed Good Friday speech, in that speech Fed talk about writer of this book. This is same to same author one mistake, creating economic boom just before election. And what is the red flag? Inflation. When in FOMC meeting and non-FOMC speech, when reporters were asking about restrictive monetary policy and financial condition index, they were ignoring all the time. Their tone did not change until they saw inflation coming. This was the trade started in November FOMC meeting, exactly 1 year before their election voting. So after election, the central bank and president will repeat same thing again or not. If you expect same thing will repeat again after election, then you can FOMO buying everything. Or if things change after election, president change, Fed chair change, then opposite can also happen. But by the time we get this clarity, we see election result, it will be trading near 4200 or flying to 6000. And this correction has begun. It will not stop until Fed changes monetary policy to save stock market like they are doing since 2009.